The first step is to deploy the solar panels. There are two on the side. The solar panel can be unfolded after the hand screw is open. After turning on the solar panel, there is a support ejector rod inside. You can use solar panels for support. It can stand on the inside again. In the second step, take off the fixing pin. This is used to fix the battery module and the control module. And then when it's on, we can start installing the multi-parameter sensor. When installing multi-parameter sensor, install one of its fixed blocks first. This is a wire rope for multi-parameter lifting. We've got 4 suspension buckles for the 2 steel wire ropes. Here's how to fit them. Thread the wire rope through the bottom until the end sticks out. This is fixed. Then wear another one on the other end. The length of this hanging wire rope is 0.5 meter. The length we need for the internal installation is already set. Oh, in this case, now both wires are good to go. Just make sure they're exactly the same length. Then the next step is multi-parameter sensors installation. Before we put the sensor in, grab the longer cable and connect it up. Attach one end of the cable to the sensor. Then hang the hook. One end is hung on this and a lifting ring. Hang the 2 wire ropes. After hanging, it's time to lower the sensor into the float. Turn the bottom of sensor down, then sag in. Lower the sensor into the float. Be careful not to drop the cable connector inside. After hanging down, then we use 2 wire ropes. Hang them on this mounting port of the upper mounting board, respectively. Just hang up. In this case, the multiple parameter sensors are fixed internally. Pay attention to the multi-parameter line. Don't fall below. Must be on the side. The next step. It's to install the control and power supply modules. First, install the battery module. The battery module is, grab that fixing pin we took off earlier. Slide the battery module into the float from the side until it clicks into place. Then, feed the pin through the module's lifting ring. After going through, then hang it on one of its installation bits. This end is a mounting ring. This end is the installation screw. Then use the point nut just removed. Screw it. In this case, the battery module is fixed. After fixing the battery module, the same is true for the control module. Fixed on the inside. From the side mounted into one of its voids. It is also the fixing ring that penetrates the bottom of the bottom first, then fix it to the screw. Then use the electric box nut to tie it up. In that case, it's sensors and controllers. The installation of the power supply is complete. Then the next step is to connect the cable. Well, there are 2 connectors on the controller. Each connector is attached with a corresponding sticker. This connector is connected to the sensor and is connected to the power supply module. So this multi-parameter line, it needs to be connected to this connector of the sensor. Pinch it tight, and then the upper solar panel has a cable for charging. This cable is connected to a port of the battery. In this way, the solar energy is connected to the battery. Later, solar energy can charge the battery. And then the last strand is also a double strand. It is used to connect the battery to the controller. In this case, once the link is made, then the entire controller and sensors start powering. Get to work. After connecting, the whole device starts to power up. Start collecting data, measurement data, then it's all installed and sorted out. Tidy up the cables a little bit. Drop the internal support rod. The entire mounting board is installed. Then, there are the 2 fixing nuts that were just removed. Just tighten it up. The interior design is installed. The last step. It is an operation to fix the anchor before launching. We chose this anchor. Figure 8 Lotus anchor. Before you put the float in the water, unfold the anchor. After opening, pull one of its locking lids underneath, then lock it up. After locking, its fur claws won't come back. Then connect it with the steel wire rope again. The steel wire rope is fixed to the bottom mounting hole of the buoy. This can be fixed directly when it is launched later. In this case, the whole float is fully assembled.